Hi everyone, this is Kyle Palmer, mobile mapping representative for Leica Geosystems for the western half of the United States. Last week there was a new release of Cyclone Pegasus Office version 2022.2.2, and there are a couple of improvements including trajectory processing, frame and image navigation with arrows, but there's a really exciting tool that I'm going to highlight in this video for manual point cloud reclassification. So let's take a look. So here we have a classified point cloud. It's a typical roadway. This is pre-classified. And the classification does an excellent job, as we can see here. I'll turn off the images and the trajectory. Navigate in 3D and see that there are indeed a couple points of mismatch, but in general, it's classified the roadway and the walls really, really well. But here's a great example where this classification tool will be really helpful in producing a nice final product. So we'll go to the Assets tab here, and we'll look at this roadway sign, which it appears got classified as a wall. So you can see here that a lot of the data disappeared. And then the other layer that it ended up on is the building layer, right? So this is pretty clearly a roadway sign. And I'm going to show how easy it is to reclassify this as a traffic sign. So we'll turn these layers back on, the wall layer and I'll go into the orthometric mode, zoom out just a little bit so I can see this okay. And then I'll go to my traffic sign layer here. I'll hit the plus button and I just highlight around what I'd like to reclassify. And we have to close out here at the final vertex. I'll get a nice context warning that says, do you want to move it to this particular layer? Just hit yes. And then almost like magic, we have a reclassified point cloud, which we can export out per layer. Thanks for watching.